The AI Job Apocalypse Scene 1. Hook. Visual, fast-paced montage of AI news headlines, robots, and empty office chairs. Sound. Tense, cinematic background music. Narrator. Stop scrolling. While we were busy making AI art and funny videos, the world changed. It's 2026, and the AI revolution is under prediction. Any more or less, a reality that is costing people their careers. If you think your degree or your experience makes you unreplaceable, you are dangerously wrong. Today, we're re-looking at the brutal truth of why 90% of freelancers and professionals are failing right now. Scene 2. The reality-checked visual. Split screen showing a human working slowly versus an AI generating code content in seconds. Sound. Digital glitch effect. Narrator. It started with basic tasks, but now AI is handling complex decision-making, high-end coding, and even creative strategy. The market is flooded. When one person with an AI tool can do the work of a 10-member team, what happens to the other 9? The barrier to entry has vanished, and the competition has become infinite. Scene 3. The mistake visual. A person looking frustrated at a laptop screen with project-rejected text. Sound. Low, somber tone. Narrator. Most people made one fatal mistake. They tried to compete against AI. Instead of evolving with it, they kept selling basic skills in a world where basic is now free. If your work can be described in a prompt, your job is already gone. Scene 4. How to survive the solution visual. Upbeat, inspiring music starts. Visuals of human-centric skills. Leadership, empathy, complex problem solving. Narrator. So, how do you stay in the top 10%? It's not about working harder. It's about human-centric value. AI lacks intuition, it lacks genuine empathy, and it cannot build deep human relationships. They winners of 2026 are UNET. The ones who know how to code, they are the ones who know how to direct the machines. Scene 5. Conclusion. CTA visual. Narrator. Looking directly at the camera, or a powerful closing shot of a sunrise. Sound. Uplifting. Fast-paced. Narrator. The era of the average worker is over. You are either the architect of the new world, or a victim of it. The choice is yours. Are you learning to control the tools, or are you waiting for them to replace you? Drop a comment below. Do you think AI has made your life easier or more stressful? Outro. Fade to black with channel logo.